देश में बिना किसी भेदभाव सबका विकास हो रहा है। पूरी पारदर्शिता के साथ सबको योजनाओं का लाभ मिल रहा है। हर पुरानी कमियों को दूर करने के लिए एक के बाद एक कामों को शुरू किया और गांव तक ले गए, गरीब के घर तक ले गए।
True development is that which reaches the last mile and the poorest of the poor. Every flagship program of the Modi government has attained speed and scale in taking the fruits of development to the poorest and enabling them with a life of dignity. There is little left to doubt in the manner in which Prime Minister Modi has caught the pulse of the common citizens. One such policy decision taken by the Prime Minister that has transformed the lives of the poorest of the poor, especially the women, is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, which has freed more than 8 crore women from the smoke emitted from firewood-based chulhas. Over 42 crore Jan Dhan accounts were opened, with about 66% of them being in rural or semi-urban areas. Nearly 29 crore Mudra loans worth Rs 15 lakh crore have been provided to small entrepreneurs, helping them become financially empowered. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's firm belief is that in 21st century India, none should suffer in darkness due to lack of electricity. More than 18,000 villages under the shroud of darkness, even decades after independence, were provided with electricity for the first time, achieving 100% electrification across India. The vision of a roof for every Indian is being made possible with Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, providing Pakka homes with necessary amenities to the poor families. More than 1.40 crore houses have already been constructed. By achieving ODF-free India under Swachh Bharat, the Modi government has brought great dignity to the lives of those who did not have access to safe sanitation. The Modi government is also expanding the security net to the poorest and most vulnerable sections of the society. Under the Jan Suraksha initiative of the government, universal social security system for all Indians, especially the poor and the needy, has been created. Rural connectivity has also been a key focus of PM Modi's governance. Under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, as of March 2014, 65% of the eligible habitations were provided connectivity. In the last 7 years, the coverage has been taken to 99% habitations connected. To provide record of rights to village household owners with issuance of legal property cards to the property owners, Swamitva scheme was introduced. Given the importance of clean drinking water for everyone, Jal Jeevan Mission was launched in August 2019. Within 2 years, over 4 crore households received tap water connections. Launched in 2018, Ayushman Bharat, the world's largest health insurance scheme, has been providing easy access to medical facilities for the poor. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit India, taking care of the needs of the poor who were facing a socio-economic disruption was paramount. Therefore, the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana was brought in to help the poor by providing 5 kg of grains per person and 1 kg chana per family per month. 42 crore poor received assistance under the scheme in 2020. The scheme has again been extended till Diwali 2021. Being sensitive to the needs of migrant workers, government also announced One Nation One Ration Card that will allow them to procure ration anywhere in the country. Under PM Swanidhi scheme, street vendors impacted by the pandemic have been provided collateral-free loans to help them get back on their feet. The Modi government's fast-paced, multi-dimensional and scalable approach is lifting millions out of poverty.